to use a filter today because I'm extra ugly. I didn't put on any makeup, and I think I have some residual makeup on from after I washed my face this morning. Anyway, so let me tell you guys what happened. So today I went grocery shopping with my family, and while we were there, I decided that I was going to try, I decided I was going to try the Slim Fast Keto meal replacement kit. Anyway, so I decided that I was going to try it for the first time tonight. It was going to be the last thing that I ate or drank. So I look on the container and it's like, okay, mix 2 scoops with 8 ounces of water. And I'm like, ew, like I don't mix any protein shakes with water. Like I always use almond milk because I like the consistency. Okay, so like I was saying before I was so rudely interrupted by Snapchat turning me off. Oops, the filter went away. Okay, so I was like, well maybe there's a reason why the canister doesn't say to use either 8 ounces of water or your favorite milk substitute. You know, maybe I should mix it with like almond milk. So then I did see a girl on YouTube who mixed it with almond milk and it was fine. So I'm like, okay, it's probably fine. So I go in the kitchen and I get my NutriBullet and I pour 8 ounces of almond milk in my NutriBullet. And then I put 2 scoops of the Slim Fast vanilla cake batter mix, the powder, in my NutriBullet. Okay, so when I opened the container, I smelled it, right? And I had watched a video. It was the second video I watched. I watched a video of a girl doing a review on it. And she opened it and she was like, oh my god, this smells so good. This smells just like cake batter. And I opened it and I sniffed it and I'm like, no it doesn't. I'm like, girl, this is like the dustiest cake I ever smelled. So anyway, so I shake it up and then I put in my NutriBullet. I blend it a little bit. I did add ice because I don't like things like kind of sort of cold. Like I like them cold. Like I feel like a shake is supposed to be cold. I don't really want it frozen, but I want it pretty cold. So I added ice. I blended it up and I took the top off and oh my goodness, this shit smelled just like cake batter. I'm like, oh my god, I'm trying to rush to the drawer and give me a straw because I'm like, I need to drink this like right now. Like it smells so it's okay. Okay, anyway. So I pour the mixture into my glass and I get a straw and I take a sip. And I'm like, this shit tastes just like cake batter. Like this shit is so good. Now I will say that I do taste the sweetener. I think it's stevia. And I hate stevia. Like I hate artificial sweeteners and that one in particular like really to me has a bad aftertaste. It's sweetened with more than just stevia. I think it's sweetened with the same sweetener that Swerve is, and I love Swerve. Like, Swerve is the best sugar substitute to me. Like, it tastes just like sugar. I haven't been disappointed in anything that I've put it in. Anyway, so even though I do taste the artificial sweetener, when I say it's so good that I don't care, like, I don't give a good goddamn about that little aftertaste, it's so good. I am a huge fan of cake batter. I love cake batter. I don't like cake. I don't even like cake. Like, I hate cake. But cake batter? Bomb. Like cookies. I don't really care for cookies, but cookie dough is like one of my favorite things. I think I just like it raw. So anyway, so I'm like, oh my god, this is so good. I'm like dancing around the kitchen and stuff. This is like the happiest I've been since I've been on keto. So I just thought I'd go ahead and share my experience with you because I'm like super geeked. I'm about to count my macros and see if I can have another one. So I just wanted to share. This is like the best keto find that I have found. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.